Now, you can't visit me without me sharing the fried chicken recipe with y'all. This is my spicy pecan fried chicken. I'm gonna use 1.5 bottles hot sauce.
Oh, man.
All right, we need about 4 eggs cracked.
Okay.
And we're gonna put about this much water, about 1/4 of a cup of water, not much. And we are gonna use house seasoning. And our house seasoning has salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder.
Oh, wow.
So it's got everything that you need in it.
Do I press it in at all?
Yeah, you know, I teach everybody rub their meat.
Rub their meat. So like
All right,
this?
now, flip your chicken over, put a little bit on the other side.
You want me to mix this?
Yes, just mix it up, and then we're gonna throw our chicken over in there. I'm adding ground pecans to the flour. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
It sounds real good.
And look, see, it's just a little coarse. They're just gonna give it a little extra flavor. And then I'm gonna take y'all to a beautiful place
What place is
when
it?
we're done with it.
Oh, man.
All right, doll, that's probably way, way too much.
Oh, no! I'm so sorry. What do I
That
do?
is all right. What we're gonna try to do.
Is wipe it off?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
I got so passionate about it.
What'd you do? You put too much on?
I did,
don't want all
did.
your blood to be dried up when
Okay.
you leave.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can't say our chicken ain't seasoned. Now, the thing about frying chicken, dark meat takes about 13 to 14 minutes, depending on how large your chicken is. And the white meat will take about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how large it is. Let me tell y'all something. I had the most wonderful time watching The Help. You talking about passion?
Oh, yeah. It was a passion project. That's why when people see it, they're going to be so moved by it because
I could
everyone's
tell.
heart was in it.
I could
Everyone's
tell,
heart.
Viola. All right, now I'm gonna wash this goop out of my hands.
So, Paula, what did you think of the fried chicken scene of the movie where Minnie is teaching Celia how to cook? It feels like you and I here.
I loved it. I loved it. And you know, Minnie did it just like my mother used to do it in the brown sack.
Yeah,
from
that's
the
how my mom
grocery-
did it too.
Yes.
Shake that.
This is so much fun.
All right. Chicken already dead, Miss Celia. Yep, he dead.
That was a wonderful take-me-back moment.
Oh, yes.
If you would put that stick of butter, and then we've got some honey.
Oh, I like the sound of this.
Yeah, about 1/2 cup.
Yeah.
Go, baby. Men have been showing
More
you
than
how
that.
to measure. I can tell right now. Some more, girl. Now about 1/2 cup of pecans.
Okay.
And we're gonna let that just simmer. This is over the top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, my
Southern
goodness.
fried
Oh,
chicken
my
with a
gosh.
pecan glaze. All right, I can't wait for y'all to
When
eat.
can we eat
Can
it?
eat it right now.
Dig in.
Miss Paula
There you
Deen, this is so good. It make you want to